Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a game changer for all you folks who want to shed those extra pounds without breaking a sweat. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're diving into the ultimate strategy for effortless weight loss, perfect for the busy bees and comfort seekers out there. So, if you're tired of grueling workouts and restrictive diets, this lazy person's guide to weight loss is tailor-made for you. Understanding the mind-body connection. Let's kick things off with a deep dive into the mind-body connection. Did you know that your mindset plays a crucial role in your weight loss journey? It's not just about what you eat or how much you exercise, but also about your mental approach. By adopting positive affirmations and visualizations, you can create a conducive environment for weight loss. The power of your thoughts can't be underestimated. Mastering meal portioning. Say goodbye to calorie counting and complicated meal plans. Our second segment focuses on mastering portion control. It's all about enjoying your favorite foods while being mindful of the portions. By eating slowly and savoring every bite, your brain registers satisfaction sooner, preventing overeating. This method ensures you indulge in your guilty pleasures without guilt. The art of smart substitutions. Who says you have to bid farewell to your favorite comfort foods? It's time to embrace the art of smart substitutions. Swap out high-calorie ingredients with healthier alternatives to create equally delicious dishes. Craving pasta? Opt for zucchini noodles instead. Yearning for a sweet treat? How about some dark chocolate-dipped fruits? These swaps satisfy your cravings and keep your weight loss goals on track. Embracing active laziness. Believe it or not, you can be lazy and active at the same time. This segment explores the concept of active laziness. Incorporate movement into your daily routine without structured workouts. Take the stairs, stroll around while on the phone, or dance to your favorite tunes. Every bit of movement counts. It's all about turning sedentary moments into calorie-burning opportunities effortlessly. Prioritizing restful sleep. Did you ever think that sleep could impact your weight loss journey? Well, it absolutely does. In this segment, we emphasize the importance of prioritizing restful sleep. Quality sleep regulates hormones that control hunger and appetite, preventing those late-night snack binges. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night and watch how it positively influences your weight loss progress. And there it is, the lazy person's guide to weight loss. Remember, achieving your weight loss goals doesn't have to be a grueling journey. By mastering your mindset, portion control, smart substitutions, embracing active laziness, and prioritizing sleep, you can effortlessly slim down and transform your lifestyle. So here's to a healthier, happier you, the easy way. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay lazy, stay healthy.